A truly warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I am Meena Tariq. In today's USAID Bulletin, we will be taking a look at the programs and activities supported by the USAID Ambassadors Fund Program. Since the funding program was established in 2010, grants have provided assistance to organizations working in some of the most remote and underserved geographic locations in the country and encouraged communities to participate in the local decision-making processes. USAID, under the Ambassadors Fund, provided grants to projects having less than 1 year duration at the local level that were determined to have high impacts and which could be quickly implemented to improve basic economic and social conditions. The Ambassadors Fund program focused on high-impact, quickly implemented, community-based initiatives. Funding priority areas have included women's issues, cultural preservation, entrepreneurship, disaster preparedness, and wildlife conservation. The Ambassadors Fund program helped in the preservation of Kalasha language, and new books were published to document over 200 folk songs, proverbs, and folklore, word list, and an audio disc to disseminate them at the local and national level. With support from USAID Ambassadors Fund program, the Balti Fort Exhibition Center in Khaplu Palace was developed, identifying and collecting numerous artifacts, manuscripts, and local handicrafts. USAID Ambassadors Fund program also supported in training women in advanced embroidery and block printing techniques from 12 villages of Mitti and Diplo tehsils. The project also helped in linking them with famous clothing chains to create greater access and to transform their work into an income-generating activity. Over 1,700 drinking platforms containing vaccinated water were built for the peafowls in Tharparkar. The project also helped in raising community awareness and established a special healthcare center for peafowls. The Ambassadors Fund program also helped in training communities on disaster risk management across 30 villages of Sobatpur, Balochistan, so that they could respond to flood situations promptly. USAID Ambassadors Fund program has given grants to provide over 1,000 solar lanterns and installed 10 solar street lights in 22 villages of District Badin of the Sindh province. More than 4,000 people have benefited from this grant. Let's take a look at a report put together by our reporter.
पाकिस्तान की साहिली पट्टी सदियों से समंदरी कछुओं का मस्कन रही है। इन कछुओं के लिए ये सिर्फ अंडे देने की जगह नहीं, बल्कि इनका घर भी है। लेकिन बदकिस्मती से समंदरी कछुए की नस्ल मादूमियत के खतरे से दोचार है। हर साल सैकड़ों की तादाद में कछुए माहीगीरों के जाल में फंसने की वजह से शदीद जख्मी होकर मौत के करीब पहुंच जाते हैं। इस मसले के पेश नज़र अप्रैल 2014 में अमरीकी इदारा बराए बैनुल-अक़वामी तरक्की USAID के एम्बेसडर्स फंड प्रोग्राम के तहत समंदरी कछुओं को दरपेश खतरात से मुतल्लिक आगाही और उनके तहफ़्फ़ुज़ को यकीनी बनाने के लिए इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर IUCN को ग्रांट्स दी गई। इस मंसूबे के तहत कछुओं की हलाकतों के तदारुक के लिए 100 माहीगीर कश्तियों को कछुए बचाने के लिए खसूसी आलात यानी टेट्स फराहम किए गए। इन टेट्स को मछली के जाल में नस्ब करने से कछुए जाल में फंसे बगैर बआसानी निकल सकते हैं और मछलियों के शिकार में कोई दुश्वारी पेश नहीं आती। इन आलात की फराहमी के अलावा माहीगीरों को महफूज मछली के शिकार की खसूसी तरबियत दी गई और मुतअद्दिद बार अमली तौर पर टेट का इस्तेमाल करके दिखाया गया। इसके साथ साथ तलबा और मुस्तकबिल के माहीगीरों को भी समंदरी हयात को दरपेश खतरात से मुतल्लिक आगाही दी गई।
It's time to have a look at what we have for you in our next bulletin. Thank you so much for watching our bulletin, and we'll be waiting for your suggestions and your comments. And we'll see all of you again next week.